Hey guys, back at it again with another video. So we're here with Sydney. We just went to go, well, we just arrived at the dealership where I bought the Porsche at. So check that out. There's a Urus right there, right behind me. That's sick. And there's also another Porsche right there. There's a red Audi behind us. I believe it's like an S3. But yeah, we are back to pick it up. And it's been like, how long was it? Like 2 weeks, 2.5?
3 weeks.
3 weeks, yeah. So I'll catch you guys at the car. Now we're back in the whip, as y'all saw in the previous little cut clip, you know what I'm saying? So we're back in the whip here in the Porsche right now with my homie Logan right here.
What's going on, guys?
Yups. And so today, well, actually yesterday was the day that I got the Porsche back. And honestly, I'm just so happy there's no more Christmas lights on the dash, you know what I'm saying? We're all good, we're chilling. And right now it drives way better than before. Cause I mean, honestly, the transmission was like clunky when I first bought it too. And before we get into the issues, let's dive into when I first bought the whip. So when I first bought the whip, there's a sealant issue right here because of the hardtop. As y'all can see, y'all actually saw that in the first video as well when I posted about the Porsche. So another issue we found out about the oil leak was the RMS, which is the rear main seal. But we didn't get the IMS bearing, which is an intermediate shaft bearing. The solution is, you know, buy a retrofit and we take it to a shop, they have it installed. Easy fix. I didn't get that done because there's this thing about post-issue and pre-issues about the warranty that I purchased, right? In the picture, basically it's a receipt from Porsche because I also had to retrieve the radio code. Renntech helped me out. I should have checked the email before. I found out the funny thing is I just paid $100 for nothing. Porsche found out that, you know, my rear drive boot shaft was leaking. It's like torn. It's torn. You can see it in the paper too. It's torn. And we have an oil leak, which is the rear main seal. You know, it's quoted like $8 grand. And like, I was like, oh, no biggie. I paid for the warranty. It can pay for it, right? It's just like a $500 deductible. I'll be more than happy to pay $500, right? Just to get those two things fixed. And so I left the car there at Porsche for like at least like I would say like a week and a half. And so I really appreciate them because, you know, they stuck their necks out for me and actually persisting to call the warranty place. They were very nice about it. And you know, I talked to them. Porsche said, oh, they declined your repairs. And I called them like, what's going on? I paid for the warranty. Why isn't this working? Or why won't you guys, you know, accommodate me for this? And so they were like, well, so the issues were pre-existing. They weren't there after he bought the car. They were there before he bought the car. One of their salesperson, shout out to Glenn, by the way, they were able to fix my rear main seal. So they replaced the rear main seal. I'm a patient person, but it's a 19-hour job and it took 2.5 weeks, almost 3 for me to get my car back, you know. But you know, it is what it is. I'm happy I got my car back. That's just how long it took. And you know, it's a car lot. They probably got a bunch of other vehicles, you know, that they're working on, so I understand that. But it's just like 3.5 weeks, you know, 2.5, something like that. Yeah. So that's where we're at. The Porsche's all good. There was also an airbag light too. I have no idea when that came on, but it's just, yeah, that was just crazy. I was like, damn, really driving this right now. But yeah, so you know, we're happy. We're all good to go. Basically, that's the quick update on what's going on with the Porsche.